Hello everyone, it's great to have you with us today.
Meet the new Galaxy S25 FE, designed to deliver the latest, most powerful Galaxy AI experiences to more people. Building on the trusted design foundation of our S series, Galaxy S25 FE is slimmer and lighter than last year's edition, even with a bigger battery. With a bold camera and soft, hazy finish, it's available in 4 colors to fit your style: navy, jet black, icy blue, and white. The 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display offers a bright, immersive view. With up to 120 Hz refresh rate, scrolling through social media feels seamless and effortlessly smooth. But great design isn't just about looks. Framed with enhanced Armor aluminum and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, it's built to handle everyday life worry-free, because its true strength lies on the inside. Galaxy S25 FE is your gateway to a true AI companion, offering personalized experiences that enhance user interaction and productivity in ways that feel effortless and natural. At the heart of the experience is One UI 8, our most intuitive, personal interface with powerful Galaxy AI experiences yet. Galaxy S25 FE will be the first ever S-Series device to launch with One UI 8, which will be rolling out across previous models soon. The Samsung Galaxy S series has always been famous for its powerful cameras, and the Galaxy S25 FE is no exception. The S25 FE will be available starting today from $649. It comes with 6 months of Google AI Pro at no extra cost, giving you access to the most powerful Gemini features like VO3, plus 2 TB of cloud storage, and much more.
The Galaxy Tab S11 series brings together a large screen, S Pen, and the latest Galaxy AI into our most powerful tablets yet. It comes in 2 sizes, including our slimmest tablet ever, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, which is just 5.1 millimeters thin and weighs only 692 grams. And the dynamic AMOLED 2X display is not only beautiful, it also provides an incredibly smooth and bright viewing experience with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and 1600 nits of peak brightness. At the heart of the Galaxy Tab S11 series is a breakthrough 3nm processor, a first for the Galaxy Tab family, delivering the fastest performance amongst our tablets yet, with improvements in CPU, GPU, and NPU. The new S Pen is not only more comfortable to hold, but it also lets you draw seamlessly without interruption. With a simple press of its side button, you can instantly open quick tools on Samsung Notes or PenUp to give you quick access to a variety of colors and pen types to bring your ideas to life. Galaxy Tab S11 and the S Pen are a winning combination, which is why the S Pen comes included in the box. And both the tablet and the S Pen are IP68 rated for water and dust resistance. Smart tools need a smart workspace. And that's where the all-new DeX takes productivity to the next level. Multitasking across several apps, you can expand your screen real estate and multiple DeX workspaces. Customize your setup in a way that feels natural and efficient, instantly transforming your tablet into a powerful multi-screen workstation. The Galaxy Tab S11 will be available from $799 and the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra from $1,199. Both will be available starting today.
Thank you.